Ah. Those storms we keep getting. And look at this. I have to show you this right now. Yep. Isn't this beautiful outside? The city is getting flooded. People's basements could be flooded. And funny part is some bedrooms are in the basement. And they had to get buckets. And their cars is gonna get flooded because their whole world is gonna get flooded with rain. Music. Now this is true chaos and anarchy I'm seeing outside. In this point, everyone will be flooded with the rains. Ooh, the storm. Don't make me get started from the storms. I love how they make that big bang sound. That's music to my ears. I enjoy watching the rain and enjoy listening to thunderstorms. It always helps me put a smile on. But to be honest, we do need the storm in the rain because it has been hot lately and a heat wave as well. So the rain helps. Same thing with the thunderstorms. And to be honest, I will pick the rain than the heat wave. At least with the rain, no one gets heat stroke. But my favorite thing to do is, well, I can't really go out and do pranks because everything's flooded. So yeah, I don't need to do pranks because everything is going to get flooded anyways. And people have to get the buckets, get water out their basins, their cars. And I heard there's going to be a tornado coming soon. So, everything's going to get blown away. Half of the city will get destroyed with that big tornado coming. I got a joke to tell. You know the rain, the thunderstorms, but why is Wow and likes to bow a tornado? Because they like to bowl on everything. I can't wait for that to come. Hell, they could bowl down in school if they wanted to. So yeah, stay tuned, everyone. Okay, one. Subscribe and like, also go search this video. Okay, one. Bye. And if you're excited for all of this, tell me in the comments down below. Okay, one. Bye.